Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to explain about the basic structure of HTML page. If you want to create any web page or HTML page, we have to first create the basic structure of HTML. To help you in remembering this basic structure of HTML easily, I am going to take a real world example. Let's assume that there is a box. Inside this box, there is a person. There is a head of the person and this is the body of the person. There is a box. Inside the box, there is a person. This is head of the person and this is the body of the person. Now, using this real world example, you can easily remember the basic structure of HTML page. How? Assume that this particular box is nothing but the web page. And inside the web page, there is a head section and there is a body section. So, the starting of the web page, the starting of the box or this web page can be represented with a tag, that is HTML tag, known as less than greater than symbol. Every tag in HTML will have this less than greater than symbol, and in between that we'll have the tag name, that is HTML is a tag name. The root tag, the root tag of HTML or HTML pages is nothing but HTML tag. This is a starting tag of HTML. The box is starting here. The web page is starting here. Remember like that, okay? The box is starting here. That means web page is starting here. Every HTML web page will start with which tag? The root tag, that is root means top level tag. That is HTML tag. And where the box is ending? The box is ending here. So here we need to write the ending tag for that HTML. How to write the ending tag or closing tag? This is a starting tag or okay, this is a starting tag. Then how the closing tag will be there? For every starting tag in HTML, we should have a closing tag. So slash HTML. Here we have to add forward slash. This is same, right? HTML is same. Here we have to write forward slash. Okay. Closing tag of HTML. So at the beginning of the box, starting tag of HTML is there. At the ending of the box, closing tag of HTML is there. Now, inside this HTML tags, we have the head section and body section. So starting of the head is nothing but which tag? Starting head tag. Again, less than greater than symbol. In between that head tag, you have to write this starting head tag. And ending of this head is nothing but the closing head tag slash head. Now, starting of the body is nothing but the starting of the body is nothing but the body tag. Now, ending of the body is nothing but the closing body tag. Closing body tag. Okay. So here, HTML tags are the parent tags for these head and body tags. Head and body tags are the children of this HTML tags as part of hierarchy. And head and body are the siblings for, right? Brothers and sisters because they are at the same level. So if you want to create the basic structure of HTML page, first you will be writing the root tags, that is HTML starting and closing tags. Inside that you will be writing the head tags to represent the head section of the page and body tags to represent the body section of the page. Using this real world example, hope you will be able to easily remember the basic structure of HTML from now on. So this basic structure of HTML, we are going to write inside the editor. Wherever whatever the editor that we have decided in the last session to practice HTML code or to practice HTML, we are going to use that editor to write this basic structure of HTML in order to create the web page. So what was that editor, guys? Notepad plus editor. Okay, the editor that I have explained in the previous session. So let me launch that Notepad plus editor. This is how it looks like. I would like to zoom in. Press and hold the control key and use your mouse to zoom in. Scroll the mouse to zoom in so that you can see whatever I am writing easily, okay? Let me write the basic structure of HTML. Every HTML page will start with HTML tag and end with slash HTML. And inside this HTML tag, we have to represent the head tags and body tags, which are the children of this HTML tag. First head tag is starting here and head tag is ending here. Now body tag is starting here Body tag is starting here and body tag is ending here. Okay. So this is nothing but the basic structure of HTML. If you want to create any web page by writing some HTML code, first step that you have to do is you have to create the basic structure of HTML like this. Okay. To remember this basic structure of HTML, I have given this real world example of a box containing a person, head and body of the person, and we converted that into a basic structure of HTML here. We're using this HTML tags. Okay. Every starting tag has a closing tag. It has forward slash symbol, which is a closing. Head tag slash head, which is closing tag. Body starting tag slash body is a closing tag. So hope guys you understood the basic structure of HTML in this session. See you in the next session where I'm going to cover the next topic for you. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.